In this video, we are going to deep dive into the Databricks-to-Databricks sharing. We are going to start by defining the model and how we can do to share data inside the Databricks by sharing file or sharing metastore that is stored in the Unity catalog.
In the Databricks-to-Databricks data sharing model, a data recipient gives a data provider the unique sharing identifier for the Databricks Unity Catalog metastore that is attached to the Databricks workspace that is a recipient which is represent a user or a group of users. We'll use access to the data the data provider is sharing. The second steps of the model is the data provider create a share that is provided the Unity catalog. This named object contains a collection of a table and a notebook registered in the metastore. The third step is the data provider create a recipient object in the provider Unity catalog. This named object represents of the user or group or a user who will access to the data including in the share, along with the sharing identifier of the Unity catalog metastore that is attached to the workspace that the user or group of users will use to access to the share. The sharing identifier is the key identifier that enables a secure connection. The fourth step is the data provider grant the recipient access to the share. And the last step is the share become available in the recipient Databricks workspace and user can access it using a Data Explorer, the Databricks CLI or SQL command in the either Databricks notebook or the Databricks SQL query editor. To access the table and a notebook in a share, a metastore admin or a privileged user must create a catalog from the share. Then the user or other user gain the appropriate privilege can give the other user access to the catalog and object in the catalog. Just as they would any other catalog. Schema or table registered in the Unity catalog with the important distinction begin that user can be granted only read access on objects in catalog that are created from the sharing shares. Shared notebook live at the catalog level, and any user with the user catalog privilege on the catalog can access to them.